Here we're just doing a quick video to show you how to get your Rail EZ to clamp real tight onto your railing. So what we found with folks is a lot of times they'll get the Rail EZ home and they'll put it together like this, and then they'll go and they'll put it on the railing, and they figure, okay, you know, they've sized the bottom plate so they're nice and tight, and then they want to be able to size the width. So they tighten it up like that, and you know, the bottom plates are tightened as well. So it's gonna hold. It's pretty tight on place, but it may slide a little bit. So again, it'll still hold, but if you want it to really clamp tight onto the railing, what you want to do is install it in the unlocked position. And that's what we mean by unlocked. You're gonna unscrew those knobs at the top, and you're gonna just tighten those back up. Okay, so now it's sitting in the unlocked position, and you can see that we want to just, it's a little loose. So what I'm going to do is just have Drew tighten them up just a little bit more. So unloosen those top knobs, and we're just going to squeeze it together just a little bit more. Again, it's still in the unlocked position. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to just unscrew those knobs, and we're just going to shift it into the locked position. And by doing that, what happens is it just clamps down even tighter on the railing, and that's going to hold it in place. So that is how you want to just get that extra tight fit for your Rail EZ.